Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another sock advent calendar for you. This time it is Rick and Morty. This is the men's set actually. Do you want to see which designs are in this collection here? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is the Rick and Morty 15-day sock advent calendar. I was actually at Target. Me and my man went there for a second. We ran in really quick. And then of course they have all of their Christmas stuff out now. And I always have to look at them because I just love this time of year. I love the gifts, the new things, I just love looking at Christmas stuff. So since I got the Nightmare Before Christmas one that I already did a video on to show you guys, he saw the Rick and Morty. Now online, when I ordered mine, you couldn't find any of the men's socks. They all said unavailable. So when we went to the store, this was actually in the store. They weren't there like 2 days ago, but they were there last night. So he wanted them and I'm like, okay, no problem. I got my Nightmare Before Christmas. Go ahead and get your Rick and Morty. And I thought he wanted to open it himself, but he's like, if you want to show your viewers, go ahead and open it up. I'm like, you don't want the fun of opening it? Do you want to open it up for me on my channel? He's like, no, go ahead and do it. You could show your viewers first and then I'll look at the socks afterwards. So since he was so nice enough to let me open it for him, let's go ahead and do that. So here is the outside packaging. It says 15 days of socks. This is the back of it. It has the to and from where you can write who it is going to if you're getting it as a gift. There is 4 crew socks and 11 pair of low cut socks. So it seems like the same variation of the 2 styles is what I got because I believe I had 4 and 11 on mine too. So then when you open it up, that is really cool. Look at that. That is really neat. He'll probably keep that and hang it up in the garage or something. That's really cool. I like that. And then here is where all of the socks are. Here are the different little boxes that you would open up and reveal the sock that is behind it. Now again, this is for men and this is sizes of socks. The size on here are 6 to 12, like normal men's size socks are. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see which different Pickle Rick. Let's see which different designs are inside of the Rick and Morty one. So let's go ahead and just start with number 1, which is right here. And I'm gonna try to carefully open it. Maybe I can kind of put them back in for him. I don't know, but let's see. Mine I kind of demolished opening. So I'll try to be a little more careful this time. I said try, there's no promises. But I'll try. This would be the first design. This is the low cut and it has Rick right on top. And that is such a cool design. I like that. And then the bottom is just like that. And then that's the top of the foot. Oop. So there's sock pair number 1. Okay, so sock pattern number 2 is the standard size sock. And it says Sanchez was here. And it has him peeking over the little brick wall. And then the back of the sock is just like the wall with some little eyes peeping out. So front or the outside of the sock, inside of the sock. I am trying my darndest to open these carefully because I really want him to enjoy. The reason why I love advent calendars so much is the opening, the unknowing of what's behind that door. So I want him to get that joy. So I'm definitely trying my best to savor this calendar so he can at least get somewhat of an enjoyment, you know? So here's design number 2. Look at his little tiny legs. And he is holding his little controller thing. So here's the top of the sock. There's the bottom. And you guys, this calendar is only $15 and you get 15 socks. And they have so many different ones. Like I said, I've already done the Nightmare Before Christmas. They have a few different Harry Potter. They have a cat, like for cat lovers. They have just regular Christmas themed ones. They have the Rick and Morty. I think they have like a Minecraft for kids. They have, I think a Frozen one for kids. So there's women's, there's adult, and there's some men. and it's basically $1 per sock, and they're really cool and they're good quality. I've been wearing mine every single day since I opened mine. So there's number 4. There's the top of the sock and the bottom is just all green. So there's that one. So these are really good ideas for Christmas gifts if you wanted to give somebody. Plus, I mean, mostly everybody could use extra socks. And these are some really cool design socks. Okay, number 5. That is so cool. So his eyeballs are sticking out of his mouth, and there is the bottom. So here is a Banana Rick. That's really cute. Banana Rick! I don't know about Banana Rick. I know about Pickle Rick, but I don't watch this nearly as much as he does, obviously. Ooh, I like those colors. I like the purple and the teal and the gray and the black together with the white. So there's the front of the sock, and there's the bottom. There's the top, sorry. This is the top of the sock. Here's number 8. These are just so really cool designs and some awesome colors. Like, they're very colorful. So there's that one. And that's the top of the sock, bottom of the sock. Those are cool. So there's Rick and Morty. So there's the top and the bottom. So it's a complete pattern all the way around on this one. Number 10 is a big one. There's Pickle Rick. Those are cool, look. So there's Pickle Rick, Pickle Rick. Number 11. So there's Morty with his little legs. There's the bottom, there's the top. And then there's this one. Top of the sock and the bottom. So here's the 4th full-size style sock, and it's a spray can, and you spray in some spots. So there's the outside and there's the inside. All right, so here are little cherries, and they're the same pattern all the way around. The last and final, number 15, and here's Banana Rick again. That is really cool though. I like these colors, and they're just so many fun designs on them. So that is now the 15th pair of socks from this 15-day Advent sock calendar. So what did you guys think of the different designs? Have you seen this one? Or would you like to get this one for yourself or for a gift or whichever? Let me know down below. Comment down below. Let me know. I tried my darndest to save this. I mean, it looks a little used and abused, but not bad, right? So I'm going to give this to him so now he can open them up himself. I kept them in the same doors. I tried not to open them all the way. I mean, it is a little busted, but calendar. What are you gonna do? So that is everything that I have for you on this particular calendar. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'll greatly appreciate that, so you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.